Hi, Tracy here from Crockers Paint and Wallpaper at Miranda. I just wanted to give you a little insight into what we do here that's a little bit different. Through the Art Passage, we are Sydney's most unique space, coupling an art gallery with an art studio and workshop space. We like to support the community and provide our wall space for free to local artists. We have consistency in what we stock, and we love supporting brands that we know work, namely Cole & Son, Designers Guild, York, Brewster, Rash and many others. We use our products as well, so we know that they give great results. We really value the fact that we can sell Australian made and owned products. Our paint, Chrysler Paint and Hames Paint, are both made here in Australia and family owned and operated. The other thing that I love is seeing customers before and after photos. They're often very eager to send us through those photos, and we get as much excitement out of it as they do. Something that's nice for our consumers is that we are third generation owned, and not only that, we also have our fourth generation working in the store as well. So 9 times out of 10 they can be served by the same person that has seen them before. We think that that's a really nice connection that we have with our customers. It means that we can help them just that little bit more. And of course, if our customers do not want to do the job themselves, they can come in and we can organise painting jobs for them. We offer a really fantastic trade service for wallpaper installation. You can get one of our recommended tradesmen and we'll guarantee their work. No question is a silly question here at Crockers, so if you think you need our help and our knowledge and advice, please give us a call on 9525 7489 or call in and see the Crocker team at 206 Box Road, Miranda.